Hey, it's Rod here with Greenstone, and today I'm standing in the post-processing station at our factory in Brandon, Manitoba. In this station, panels are ejected from the press and moved on over to the post-processing area. The excess EPS is trimmed from the panels. They are then checked for quality and accuracy according to the engineer's shop drawings. Then they're labeled with a part number, a project number, and a QAI quality control sticker is affixed to the panel. From here, the panels are neatly stacked and ready to head on over to our packaging and shipping station. If you want to find out more about how ice panels are made, head on over to gsbp.ca.